More effective active deterrence modes. Better ColorHunter images. More accurate SIP functions. Most crimes occur at night, but traditional cameras usually sound the alarm after the event, making it difficult to act as a deterrent. UNV TriGuard series integrates smart intrusion prevention, ColorHunter, and active deterrence into one IP camera. It can not only alert when events happen, but also get color information in low-light environment. In 2024, UNV introduced TriGuard 2.0 technology based on TriGuard technology. TriGuard 2.0 technology has been upgraded in every aspect. Better ColorHunter images, more effective active deterrence modes, and more accurate SIP functions. TriGuard 2.0 has upgraded to the red and blue flashing light, which is more noticeable than white flashing lights, especially in low visibility weather such as rain and fog. When facing complex scenes, the audio and alarm tail line can be linked with more devices to protect the user's safety. TriGuard 2.0 technology adopts f1.0 super large aperture, which greatly improves image quality, increases the light input by 4 times compared with f2.0 aperture. With an ultra-large aperture, users can clearly capture the details of targets even at night. Coupled with a high-power 3-watt speaker, TriGuard 2.0 ensures a powerful alert effect.
You are in the alert area. Please leave. You are in the alert area.
After triggering the SIP or UMD function rule, the camera will judge the target attributes and collect the color information, which currently supports the color of people's upper and lower garments, the color of motor vehicle body, and the color of non-motor vehicle riders' upper garments retrieval. In UNV Link app, users can also set up different deterrence modes. In dual light mode, the camera shows black and white without a target, turns on warm light and red and blue flashlights when a target is detected. When switching to IR mode, the image will remain black and white. Warm light mode will keep colorful image all night. TriGuard 2.0, Guardian at night, protection on site.